4th of July is coming up. In this video, I'm gonna show you some super budget friendly, and I'm talking super budget friendly because we're going to the dollar store and picking up some items that we can do some activities with our kids in a very affordable way that are all 4th of July themed. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and I'm very excited about this video because we went to the dollar store, picked up a couple of things to make some really great 4th of July activities. What I love about this video is that everything is super affordable and you're probably going to be impressed on how quickly you can throw together an activity. I've also done another 4th of July activity video just last week, and that one's going to be down below in the description box or somewhere up here in the corner, so you can go check it out. That one had more learning based activities, so we're looking for things that are more educational based. Definitely check that one out. But in today's video, we're just using supplies from Dollar Tree. If you're new to the Purple Alphabet, I would love it if you were to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button to join us. We do educational activities for kids, ideas and inspirations to learn through play, plus a little bit of hauls and giveaways and some shop with me's too. If you're new or if you've been here a while, say hi down below in the comments. Tell me which one of these activities you plan on trying because they are that simple, that easy, and that affordable. So let's get on to our ideas. For the glowing rings, you are heading over to the glow sticks. Now there's a lot to choose from here, but look for the ones that have the most and that are the longest. We don't want to get the bracelets, although they have plenty of those, but you're looking for the really long glow sticks. The ones I picked have 3 to a pack. They say they are red, white, and blue inside. I also got the bracelets just to try them out. This pack comes with 16 inside. I figured you could take a couple of them and put them together if you had to. You also want to make sure you don't lose the little fasteners that clip the ends together. This is very important because you're going to need those. To do this activity, I highly recommend to prepare it right before you're ready to play, probably when it's dark so you can see the glowing effect, and you just snap it all the way through, attach the fasteners, and then you have your ring. So I have 3 glow sticks here. They said it was red, white, and blue in the package, but it was more like yellow, kind of pinkish and white, maybe, but it will do. And they come 3 to a pack, so you have 3 that you can play with. If you want more rings, go ahead and get a couple more packages, but for our sake, I had the 3. You're also going to need something like a cone. These are from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 to a pack for $1. I also have seen this activity using flags, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree. Set this out when you're ready and you have a game of glowing ring toss. Our total for this activity for 1 package of rings, it's $1 or more if you want to have more, and for 2 cones it's $1. So in total this whole activity at minimum is only going to cost you $2. We are shooting for the stars on this one, so go ahead and look for these pre-made stars. These are so cute. Not only will they make great decorations in your house, but they are perfect for this game. I also found this round one, which is like a wreath, which would work very, very well. And I found these that are great for balloons. They're like balloon weights, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the flat ones for this activity. Next, you're going to need some foam scatter. This is what we're going to be using to throw. This package comes with so many, so you might want to pick up a package of these. All right, we're going to take our 3 stars. There's no prep here other than to take off the tags. And we're going to use our foam scatter. Now, a word of advice on the foam scatter is that they are glitter. So if you don't like the glitter, a big tip a subscriber gave me once is to cover them with some Mod Podge. And that will help keep the glitter on. So this is a very simple tossing game. Set those stars up however you want in your lawn. Make it worth points. Be competitive. And you're tossing your stars into the stars. If you don't want to do the stars, you can also try bean bags. If you already have bean bags in your house, that would be perfect for this as well. The great thing about this is you can set them up in different configurations in your lawn. One that's closer, one that's farther. You can stand closer, you can stand farther away. So this is a great activity for even the youngest ones to try and get those stars inside the middle of the star or the middle of your wreath. And now for the grand total on these, I got 3 rings, so I'm going to count this as $3 because I think it's fun to have multiples, plus $1 for your foam stars, which you get a package of so many in there, and plus you could also use this for decorations on your table. In all, this whole activity is going to cost you just $4, plus you can reuse the items afterwards. For firework wands, all you're going to need to do is head on over to the craft section. You are looking for the wooden dowels. Now there's 2 types at my Dollar Tree. I have the shorter ones and the longer ones. The shorter ones come with more, but you don't really need that many depending on how many you want to make. So I'm going to go ahead and take a package of the long ones. I think there's 12 in here. Then head over to the ribbon section. Now this one you have to hunt and peck for because you're looking for ribbon in red, white, and blue. If you don't find any in those colors, maybe you find a silver that could work as well instead of white, and you might find some sheer ribbon as I did. So just pick around, look around, see what you can find, and you're probably going to find the colors that you need. I'm using this silver here instead of a white, and it's actually going to be like a sheer silver. I want to point out that you could also buy pre-made wands, but they're just not as cute and they come on plastic sticks. But if you wanted to, you could buy these and use the ribbon in your own craft projects. So you're going to take your wooden dowels, your 3 colors of ribbon, and I also got some wood glue, which also came from Dollar Tree, but you could use what glue you have at home. And you're going to create your wands. Now I tried using some Crayola markers on the wooden sticks, and I'm going to say it looked good and it worked when I had it all done, but it actually came off on my hand. So take my advice. Don't do this. If you want a colored stick, go ahead and paint it. That's going to last you a lot longer. Then you're going to take your ribbon and pull it out however long you want your ribbons to be. This can vary depending on your personal style. I just kind of eyeballed it here, no particular length, probably about 1 foot each. And then you're going to individually tie each one onto your wand. I just did a simple double knot at the top, and then I alternated each color of ribbon. So I went red, white, blue, red, white, blue. I did 6 ribbon strands per wand just because I liked the way it looked. You can add more, you can add less, you can do whatever you want on this. That's what makes it so great and an easy craft. Then when you have everything secure into your ribbon, I just took a little bit of that wood glue or any glue that you have and placed it on top of all of my knots and let it dry. This is going to help secure the ribbon so that ribbon's not going to go anywhere. And when you're done, you're going to have a great 4th of July wand. Where you can use these wands for are for little parades. Maybe you have a neighborhood bike parade. Maybe you just want a little bit of decoration. Any kind of purpose would be great for these, and they're super fun to make as a craft on the 4th of July and to use on 4th of July. So for this total project, you're just going to need $1 for the wooden dowels, plus you get a couple in here, so you can actually make quite a few. And then you're also going to need your ribbon, 3 colors each at $3. This whole project is going to make you a couple of wands, and it's going to only cost you $4. Use it for your parades, use it for decoration, and use it for fun. For the sparkle jar, we're heading back over to the craft section, and we are looking for these red, white, and blue vase fillers. These are little gems, or they're called jewels. You're going to need those. I'm going to take 1 package of each because I want all the colors. You don't have to get all colors if you don't want to, and you can also double this if you plan on using this for decorations. I just love these. You can also use these for manipulatives. In my other video, I showed you how you could use it in one of the fine motor activities for 4th of July. Go ahead and take all of your jewels, and you're also going to need a vase, which you can get at Dollar Tree, but I already had one at home, so I'm going to save myself $1 on this activity and just use this one. You can get all kinds of different styles, even in red, white, and blue at Dollar Tree. Then you're going to take your jewels. See how pretty they are? They just sparkle. They make a great centerpiece. You're going to fill up your jar. I'm going to alternate patterns. You can also mix them all up if you wanted to have all kinds of different colors. And I actually think this vase could use 3 more packages, but that's okay. We're going to use this. And now we have a guessing game. So set up some pieces of paper. I have some blue paper here, and you can have your guests or your kids try to guess how many of those jewels are inside that jar. And people can enter this throughout the day, and you might have a prize if somebody guesses correctly. If you don't want to do that, you can also use this as a simple centerpiece on your your table. And hey, those little wands would look great in here too. So for this activity, all you're going to need is 3 packages of jewels, so $1 each for $3 in total. A vase for $1 you can get at Dollar Tree for a grand total of $4 for this activity. In the 4th of July section, check out these paper straws. How cute are these? And not only that, they have several different styles to choose from. I had a hard time picking which one was my favorite. You're going to get 18 straws per pack, so you can use a couple of them for this activity, or if you wanted to, you could use them for your 4th of July table and actually use them as straws. Here are the ones that I picked out. I picked out the red, white, and blue ones because I like the variety and the style. Then you're going to need some paper. I just went ahead and picked out some paper that I already had in colors, but you can pick white printer paper and just color them. The kids can draw designs on them if they want, but I like that these are already pre-colored. Take some scissors, and you're also going to need some tape for this one, and you're going to measure out approximately 2 inches from the top of your straw, maybe 3, and you're going to cut it. Now I'm going to just wrap it around my straw very loosely and put a piece of tape right on the side, and then for the top of it I'm going to just fold it down so there's no holes so the air can catch, and tape that down as well so it's flat. Make sure when you do this that the paper actually can slide on and off, and just blow through the straw and you have your own straw rocket. I'm going to play that real quick for you in slow motion so you can see how fast they actually can go. So a package of straws is $1 plus your paper. This whole activity is only going to cost you $1. If you have found an amazing 4th of July activity to do, I want to know about it. Put it down below in the comments because I want to be inspired what you guys are doing too. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.